Pretty impressive, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create results like this and how to maintain perfect character consistency in every single generation. Because let's be honest, we've all been there. You change just the angle slightly, and suddenly your character looks like a completely different person. You try to fix it, and somehow it only gets worse. And the first big mistake most people make actually starts with the tool they're using. Trust me, I've been there myself. You end up juggling 5 different AI tools, trying to somehow get a decent result, but in the end, nothing really works the way you want it to. That's exactly the point where I stopped guessing and started testing properly. I spent months experimenting, comparing, and analyzing different AI tools just to figure out what actually works and what doesn't. After a lot of trial and error, I finally decided to focus on one platform, Higgsfield. Why? Because it lets me create consistent AI characters, easy lip sync, realistic movements, basically everything you need to build a professional AI influencer for an affordable price. And make sure you stay until the end, because I have a surprise for you that you definitely don't want to miss. So here is exactly what you are going to do now. Step 1 is creating a realistic first picture. This is your foundation. If your first image isn't strong, consistent AI characters are impossible. So how do you do that? You need a good prompt, one that gives the AI exactly what you want: style, lighting, facial features, and emotion. I usually use ChatGPT to help me craft the perfect prompt. I ask it to describe the character with details like facial features, age and gender, outfit, mood and emotion, and also background and lighting. This is what I got out of it. So once we have our prompt ready, let's move on to step 2. We go into the Create Image section of Higgsfield and select the model Nano Banana Pro with the aspect ratio set to 16:9. Then we simply paste in our prompt and click Generate. And here's my result. As you can see, the image is extremely realistic and cinematic, and the face is clearly visible, which makes it absolutely perfect as a starting image for maintaining character consistency. Next, we head over to the Shots section in Higgsfield. Here, you can upload the image we just generated and instantly get 9 different shot variations of the same character. From there, you simply pick the ones you like best and click Upscale to enhance the quality. You can repeat this process as many times as you want until you're fully satisfied with your selection. Alternatively, you can also start directly with your initial image and enter a short prompt. But here's the key. Always begin your prompt with the phrase, "same character," so the AI understands that it needs to keep the face and identity consistent across all variations. This method gives you much more control over the final outcome. Personally, I usually combine both approaches to get the best possible results. Here are some of my best results. The final step is bringing your images to life. For that, we go into the Video section and choose either Kling 3.0, Veo 3.1, or the brand new model Seedance 2.0 for the most realistic and high-quality results. Once we've generated all our clips, the only thing left to do is put everything together. And honestly, you don't need anything fancy for that. A free app like CapCut is more than enough to cut everything together, add transitions, and finish your video. And that's it. You've basically created a fully consistent AI character video from start to finish. Now, I have a little surprise for you. If you want to go even further and build something bigger with AI, make sure to download my free ebook, where I show you how to create your own AI influencer, gain thousands of followers, and make money with it. Check out the link in the description. It's completely free. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI strategies, content ideas, and ways to make money online. See you soon.